Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log out of Amazon app. So if you're using iOS or Android, you can follow these simple steps, okay? So first, open your Amazon, then make sure that your account is logged into it, okay? Then after that, click on these three little lines on the lower right side of your screen. Then after that, click on your account. This is on the bottom part of your screen. And then here, go to your account. Just wait. Then here, just scroll down till you see the account settings, and then click on switch accounts. And then here you can either add account, or if you want to add a new account, just click add account. But if you want to log out your account, just click manage and then click X, then sign out. Then just wait. Then there you have it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.